learned 5 different practices of leadership. And once I go back to the organization, I'll understand I'll sit with my team, understand the challenges, help them to put into a project form, and then stage by stage we'll try and evaluate as how to achieve those projects and reach a goal. So all these 5 models that you have taught us, that will be inculcated as stages
and implemented.
And
what is your reaction to the program? Did you learn?
It was inspiring and good.
Okay. All right. Anything else? All right. Round of applause for this young lady. All right. You are under the spotlight.
Well, it was a very good experience being trained by you, especially, and the 5 aspects which we have learned from here. And I will surely go to my people and spread this out with all the notes, with all the contents what are like inside it, especially the leadership, how the leadership work, the teamwork, how it goes along with, and especially the task what I have projected. Especially those things which I will be projecting.
Charter board. Project charter.
Project chart with the signature and the confirmation from them saying that these are the target to be achieved, and you need to be acknowledge it by your own self, and we'll make the show happen.
Very good. A round of applause. Okay.
It was really a nice experience to share all the other contribution of all our projects, and have learned that leadership is something, a relationship where we have to learn, grow, and put our team work efforts together. And when I am back to my place at work, we'll make sure that we put all these things which we have learned today into not as just onto a papers, but on the live examples.
Practice.
Where we can practice it, we can improve it better, and may give a chance to make new leaders in our organizations.
Very nice. And you thought that once the training is over, you can relax, right? The work just begins. Thank you. Round of applause for her.
It was indeed a pleasure having this training, and I know it's going to help us in a long way, and it also helped my colleagues. The way it was put on to us, we will try to put it on back to the colleagues. The main motto of the leader should be know, and go, and circulate to everybody. Always take feedback from the teammates.
Listen.
Listen to them very well, and give them the incentives or rewards wherever required. Motivate in whatever way you can do it. And I will try my best to get it down the line to all my colleagues.
Okay.
And since I am working on a holiday basis, I will also try to share with other colleagues in India.
That would be wonderful, right? Thank you. Round of applause. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was a great interactive training program, and gained a lot of knowledge about leadership, its do's, don'ts, its functions, and ways to improve the leadership skills, and how to motivate the people around you to get the best out of them.
Correct.
And by setting an example yourself, and then taking up the challenge of training everybody, motivating them, giving out their best.
Correct.
That's what all leadership is about.
That's what leadership is about.
And also giving them a pat on the back when something is done, job well done, and recognizing their abilities, their strengths, their weaknesses, and overcome their weaknesses.
Correct. Good.
So that's it.
Thank you.
Overall, it was a very good program. Lot of new things we have learned which we were not aware till yesterday. The 5 models that you have taught it was indeed very good, and we we take a pledge to implement all those things that we
Wow.
have learned today.
So you are committing on camera.
That all the things would be implemented
Right.
henceforth. And definitely by implementing all these things, definitely we would be more, good leaders for
Correct.
tomorrow.
Yeah, it will help productivity, teamwork, employee engagement.
We'll be
It's a
better
win-win-win
leaders
situation.
Tomorrow, and definitely we will share this knowledge with
With
all
the-
our peers and all.
Wonderful.
So even they can be a better leaders
Good, good,
in
good.
the organization.
Thank you so much. He is not from your company, so you are not clapping good enough for him. Okay.
First of all, thanks to you for sharing this such knowledge to us, that how to handle the team, how to do the work with the team members and all, and the practices which are given by you, the 5 practices. There is an improvement and means motivated to our team
Correct.
to how to handle such a situations and how to do go through the situations and all.
Right.
And rest all things are very interesting that we have been learned from you,
Correct.
and we will implement with our team members that we should go through this way.
Yeah.
We will work on this way.
Mhm.
We will go on, going on.
All right.